Welcome to John Lewis 3D Learning. In this presentation, we are going to see acid bases and salts, mind map of bases. Okay, so now we have to learn about bases. Why we need to learn about bases? Knowingly or unknowingly, with purpose or without purpose, we are using bases in our day-to-day life. The soap we are using when we are taking bath every day, it is a base. So can we live without a base? It is not possible. Therefore, it is compulsory to know at least something about these bases which we are using in our day-to-day life every day. Okay, now first of all, what is meant by a base? So what is its definition? So when any substance dissolved in water, for example, when NaOH is dissolved in water, it dissociates to give sodium positive ion and hydroxide negative ion, OH minus, that's a negative ion. So anything which produces hydroxide negative ion are called bases. Okay, example, you can write sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. So like that, so all hydroxides are bases. But there are some substances. So for example, metal oxides. You take barium oxide, calcium oxide. So all these metal oxides are also bases in nature, but they will not produce water. They will not produce what? OH minus ion. But still they are basic in nature. Okay, see there are two different definitions we can take. So those substances which produce OH minus ion in water are called bases. The substances like metal oxides, they also exhibit basic character. Okay, these are all some of the examples. So how they are classified? So it's classified into strong and weak. For example, sodium hydroxide is a strong base, whereas ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. So what is meant by strong and weak? Strong means what? When dissolves in water, completely ionizes into positive ion and negative ion. Weak means what? When they dissolve in water, they partially ionizes, not fully. See, some children they learn the entire chapter very thoroughly and score 100 out of 100. They are very strong children, intelligent children. So we can call them strong. Suppose they study only 50% and the remaining 50% they don't study and they just get pass mark, or they just get very close to 50. So like that we call them weak students. Like this, when it is not completely dissociating, they are all called weak bases. Hope you understood this. Okay, then what is the taste of a base? It is bitter in taste. So you might have consumed, or you might have taken this vegetable, bitter gourd. Why it is known as bitter gourd? Because that is bitter in taste, that is why bitter gourd. So it is due to some of the bases present in that bitter gourd. That is why it is getting that bitter taste. And what is the nature of the base? It is slippery. For example, soap is very slippery, that is basic in character, and that is very slippery and soapy to touch. It will be very smooth to touch. Okay, then how they react with the litmus paper? So when you add red litmus paper, that changes to blue. But when you add blue litmus to any base, there is no change. Just opposite of acid. Then how the indicator react? So what happens when phenolphthalein is added to a base? You will get pink color. And methyl orange is added to a base, you will get red orange color. Okay, so these are some of the indicators. Phenolphthalein and methyl orange are the main indicators we use in our laboratory to find out whether the given substance is acidic in nature or basic in nature. Okay, what are the naturally available bases? Baking soda. See, for cooking purpose, we use this baking soda, NaHCO3. So when we make puri, so in order to make it very fluffy, what substance they are adding to the ingredients? They will be adding baking soda to it. So when we make cake also, we always add baking soda to make that cake very fluffy and soft. So then bitter gourd is bitter in taste because some of the bases are present in it. The neem extract, you might know what is neem tree, and the seed what we are getting from the neem tree, that is very bitter in taste. Then cucumber, that is also bitter. Then washing soda. So what is washing soda? Na2CO3, 10H2O. This is what is washing soda. They will ask you the formula. What is the formula for washing soda? But luckily this year they have removed the preparation of all these salts. Therefore, preparation they might not ask, but they will ask you what is washing soda, what is its use. So it is used to even to convert hard water into soft water also. Then slaked lime. See, all these things are used. These things are naturally available bases. Okay, hope you understood what is meant by base. Okay, how it tastes and what is its nature, how it reacts to litmus and indicators, and what are the naturally available bases, and what is strong base, what is weak base, example, and what is meant by base in the very first place, and give some example for it. All those things we have to learn and remember. So why we need to study all these things? Knowingly or unknowingly, with purpose or without purpose, we are using them every day in our day-to-day life. Therefore, it is better to learn something more about these bases. We will see in detail in the upcoming video. If you liked it, please share it with your friends and click the like button. Until we meet next time, bye bye.